name is Anna Cazares. I'm one of the bilingual educators in Children's Museum Houston, and I want to talk to you about an activity called I Love My Name. And I Love My Name is it incorporates a book called My Name is Yoon, which is a wonderful way to talk to our kiddos on telling them on how wonderful their name is and how special they are. The activity that we will be doing is you'll trace a letter and it'll be the first letter of your name. And you are going to write all of the wonderful things that make you, you, and you special. So in the kit, you will find paper, some letter stencils, some markers, and some scissors. So because my name starts with the letter A and it's Anna, so what we're going to do is trace the letter, and then you are going to trace it, cut it out, and decorate it however you like. And you're going to write all the things that make you wonderful. And at the end, it should look something like this. Well, I hope you enjoyed this activity. I'll see y'all guys next time.